Welcome back. And today I want to weigh this 1 ounce. Well, when it was purchased, it was 1 ounce, and so now that it's been worn for years and it's got dinged up and scratched or rubbed against other metals and even been in the shower many times and swimming many days, even in the ocean. We'll see if it's still a true 31 gram ounce, because there's been some comments saying that they don't buy 24 karat gold because it can like flake off or rub off, which got me wondering. So I don't see how it can flake off and like rub off or wear off. So to prove that theory, as you can see, this has been worn through all the nicks on it and the constant bending to get it off the wrist and put it back on, and couldn't have it molded, sort of molded to the wrist. Constant bending, and like I say, it's been through the shower so many times and swimming in the ocean. So let's prove. Let's turn this on. So it's at 0 and it's at grams right there. Let's see if it's alright. 31 grams, 31.07 grams. And to make it a little scientific, we'll weigh it a couple times. 31.08. And we'll do it one more time so we can even get some statistics for all you brainiac nerds. Alright, 31.09. Just to there it is, 31.07 grams. So I just wanted to make this video to show that what some people may believe, that 24 karat jewelry or even coins can just flake off and rub off. Maybe it could in hundreds and hundreds and hundreds, if not thousands of years of wearing. But like I say, I've worn this years and years, and it's been swimming. If it's been even swimming in the hot or in the ocean, it's been in the hot tub. It's wore it at the gym. Not a lot at the gym. But it has, and there it is. It's still 31 grams. And until next time, have a great day.